Get over here!
Excellent. Vehicular manslaughter.
Boom! Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Hopefully you like the little overview of the motorcycle to see the damages there in a creative way. Trying to get a little bit more creative with this channel. But yeah, so the bike is pretty salvageable. Is actually, if I wanted to, I could ride the bike right now. Big thing is a couple of safety things I definitely need to take care of with the motorcycle. Riser bushings are shot. So you can like grab them, you can move them all around. It's not good at all. Brake pedal is bent. Other than that, I could ride the bike after I fix that. I got to replace the levers. The side that the bike fell on, the leverage is completely snapped. As you saw in the video, yeah, that was pretty sucky. But I guess it doesn't matter because I was planning on putting on new levers anyways. As the saddlebags go, they got a couple of scratches. I'm not too worried. Some of the decals got rubbed off. I'm not worried about that whatsoever. Gas tank, that's going to be the expensive part. The gas, that I've been looking at them on eBay, they're going for like 500 bucks. So I think for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Band-Aid decal on the tank and call it a day until I get some money for a new gas tank. So other than that, oh yeah, and my brand new Memphis Shade fairing completely wrecked. So that sucks. That's like a $200 fairing that I still have not been able to replace because of medical bills and you know, all that other lovely bullshit. So that's coming. It's the whole bike's going to come back together here in the next couple of months, and that's where I'm going to make some videos on this bike, just pretty much rebuilding it, getting it back to where I had it and beyond, because there is so much more that I would like to do with this motorcycle. If interested, just subscribe to the channel and keep watching because there's going to be more content. I do have to say sorry for the delay on the video with my wicked scar here. Let's see, there you go. Yeah, I'm finally getting to be pretty freaking healed up, so it was really hard for me to do some vlogs with just one arm, especially setting up lights and everything on my own, setting up my tripod. It was just, well, it was a pain in the ass. So that's why there's been a huge delay between videos. But yeah, we're getting back on the road here. And also, as far as the future, like I said in the past video, there might be another motorcycle coming, and hopefully the next couple of weeks here. So fingers crossed on that. I'll give you a hint. I'm hoping to get back into the sports bike world. So I had that XP12R before. It didn't cut it. It was a pain in the ass motorcycle. It was nothing like my old R6 I used to have when I was a young kid. So I'm happy to get back into that world as well. So anyways, if you guys want to keep on watching these videos, hit that that bell button. I'm going to be posting more videos on this bike. I'm going to be posting repairs, getting this thing back up and running. So I'll see you guys.